You will love the features of this 2020 Landrover Discovery Sport. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this boldly stylish Landrover Discovery Sport, the compact luxury SUV that offers impressive off-road capability and upscale comfort. Equipped with all-wheel drive, a plush cabin, and desirable safety and infotainment features, this intrepid exploration machine is sublimely satisfying to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, satellite radio. Don't miss the chance to drive this comfortable, capable Discovery Sport. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.